fixing of the e-bikes continues. We've had quite a bit of just, I guess, teething problems. This is like third big fix that we need to do. Mubarak, who is our BSF person, is actually doing a lot of the solar stuff now as well. So he's sort of promoted himself, as it were, as a solar and e-bike technician, which is really fantastic from a business point of view, because we need somebody on the ground just who's going to be that person to sort out the issues. So he's just going to be on the phone to Daniel at Redverse just to get his advice on some charging. So I'll just explain what's going on and the challenges that we're having. I mean, it's fairly normal with any new technology. You're going to get challenges as you implement things. Just a reminder, this is what we're doing. So these e-bikes with the batteries, and this is the array. So we've got some solar panels up at the roof. The power comes down from this wire, and then it charges. It gets switched, from AC to DC, and then with these two boxes here are charging batteries, but only that far left one at the moment is working, and so we can charge two. You can see there's two wires coming down. We can charge two batteries, but we've got three other batteries that we want to charge through this junction box, and that junction box isn't working, the connection between the two, so we're just having to fix that. So just talking on the phone and looking at the connection and see what we can do. So there's a couple of other issues we've had. You'll see more serious. You can see like the black. That's because there was a spark, basically short-circuited, because I think the inverter that initially we put in was too small. So that's been switched out now, so that's very good. And some of the connection points, some of the wires were sort of not heavy duty enough. It's one of the problems you sometimes get here. And I think, to give the props to Daniel, he's not a solar technician. He just came in and said, look, I know how to do e-bikes, let me help you with a solar setup as well. So that's what he's helped us to do, but there has been some challenges along the way, and that's what needs to be fixed. So there's an app here which connects via Bluetooth to the batteries. Has it come up?
Yeah, it's on there.
Okay, so now Mubarak can connect to the battery, but it works basically when it's charging, so you can see the charge status.
68.
68? Where does it say 68? I'm not seeing it. Yeah.
I think it is this.
So this is this battery here. Okay.
68.
Yeah, you can see the 68. Yeah.
It is charging, eh?
Yeah. Oh yes, with that.
Here,
Okay.
it is charging.
So that tells us that this battery is fine and is charging.
Yeah, this one.
But we can't connect to these other ones.
I'm going to check also that one.
Okay. Yeah, well done. So we're fixed. We've got full charging now. Basically, Mubarak found the issue. These two fuses are working, these two ones aren't. So we can just replace those two fuses and that should make everything work. So we've got 4 charging at the moment. I think we have 5 batteries in total. One's out on the border. These 2 are empty. But what we really could do with is more batteries, because currently the idea these 2 sort of stay permanently and charge, and then they'll charge during the day. So that's what's happening. So we're actually running off national grid power, but we can switch that to solar. And the household, so there's bits of equipment and stuff that's running off the mains, including the fridge, the freezer. But we're charging the batteries, and then we'll switch over later on. So at night time we're using the batteries, but you can see that we still need to put another battery in, because we've got more capacity at the moment being generated than we're actually storing. So just some of the teething problems, but good that we fixed it. So that's very positive. But hope you understand the setting in which we're operating. I'm just laughing because Alex and Nigel are laughing at me making an outro, but thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
We love a good outro here at Res.